already did it. It was chaos, but it's the chaos I needed today. Hi guys, it's Raimy. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Today we are trying to do my yoga and my workout outside in the yard with our two dogs. So that is yoga workout with two dogs and a small child. He's 1 year old. It's pretty, yeah, I had a good time, at least. It was good.
It's your show now, Dee. Excuse me, baby. Oh. Good.
Yeah, so recently, I don't know what's wrong with my family sometimes. I just feel like they can't be normal more than like 3-month spurts, and recently it's gotten all sorts of chaos. Chaotic. Still working on my coffee. Brain's not firing as well as it should be. Yeah, so it's been a little stressful because I'm just like upset. I'm like disappointed a little bit, and then also like, why am I surprised? Really? I don't know. Gigi,
So dangerous.
I just need some coffee, some time outside, some yoga, focus on me, putting my energy into me and this channel and my son and my family and my dogs, and I just need...
I know you'll come over here. I know you'll come over here.
I don't know. I was putting too much energy and faith into fighting my family that I feel like I should be able to do that too, but it just not surprising that I can't. But that's the tea for right now. Will you stay on the tarp? No? Try to know. See ya. Good catch. Try to know, try to know. The claws are getting stuck in my hair. Oh, I've been abandoned. No! Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. What I want to do. That's what's going on with me. So sorry. I've been dealing with that and power outages. But going forward, I need to not focus on my problems like that. Because they're not my problems. It's somebody else's problem. And I don't know. I was just trying to be there. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. Try to think about what the second video is going to be for this week. I'm not sure if they will be... Oh my goodness, it wants out of his chair. He had yogurt this morning. It went everywhere, and it was awesome. I really don't mind when my kid makes a huge mess and he's eating. He's learning, he's playing, he's having a good time, he's eating a lot of the food. It really doesn't take a whole lot of effort to clean up. Yeah. Hope you guys' week is better than mine. And going forward, I'm really excited because my sister's coming with her children and our kids have not met each other yet. She's been off in Germany because her husband's in the military. I don't think I've ever shown her on my channel. Maybe graduation day, like years ago. But now she has 2 beautiful little girls and I'm really excited about that. You want down? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I post every Friday and Saturday about easy self-care, ecotourism, and animals conservation. Sometimes techie videos, sometimes vlogs. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye.